Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 4 update with Anita. So how's it going so far?
Good. This week was actually really good.
That's good. So how much weight did you lose overall so far since you started?
Overall, 12 pounds.
That's good in 4 weeks, right?
Yes.
So do you think this is a good number or?
Yeah,
Well,
I'm very happy with the number for
was
sure.
it, was it fun? Did you find it quite challenging over the last few weeks? Or?
There was challenges, but it wasn't like terrible by any means. It was uh, the the benefits definitely outweighed
Yeah,
all
Um,
the anything that was detrimental or difficult.
that's good. And what are the major changes you made to your lifestyle so far? Like I mentioned 2 or 3 quickly.
Changes. Well, the fasting that's been
Yeah.
really an eye opener, and it's actually been so much better than I expected it to be. That was a big one actually.
And how about processed food?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, cutting out processed foods and eating more whole foods
yeah,
and not having to eat as often, so it wasn't difficult. Well, I think it was good to be educated at that and prepared ahead of time that there's going to be,
yeah.
surges
Yes,
of,
that's right.
of hunger, but it'll pass. And
Right.
so it's like just ride the wave and
Yes, exactly.
it'll be clean on the other side. It was good. There was waves, but that's
Right,
manageable.
right. Excellent. Perfect. Okay. Thank you so much, Anita, and I look forward to have a follow-up interview with you next week.
Great.
Okay, thank you.